How to use Monday.com effectively. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Monday.com the effective way so that you can easily manage your projects, see what's going on, see where you need to pay attention or what's going well already. So if you're trying to figure out how you can use the Monday.com platform, this is going to be a great video as I'll show you step by step how you can do it. Even if you are a beginner, let's get into it. So on Monday.com, you have your main workspace. If you sign up for an account or start a free trial, which I'm currently using on this test account, you can simply go to the main workspace. Here, you'll see a specific board. You can create a board like this for any project you're working on. Each board serves as a hub for all the tasks and information related to that specific project. Creating a board is straightforward. You can start by naming your project. Once you've named it, break down your project into different tasks or sections. This makes it easier to manage and track your progress. Each task can be assigned to team members, given due dates, and tracked for completion. This setup gives you a clear overview of your project status and helps you see what needs attention and what's progressing well. Monday.com is similar to other project management tools like Asana, but it offers a unique, user-friendly interface that provides a great overview of all your projects. You can customize each board to fit your workflow, add columns for different types of information, and use features like timelines and calendars to stay organized. By breaking down your project into smaller, manageable parts and keeping everything organized in one place, Monday.com makes it easy to keep track of what needs to be done. It's a powerful tool for staying on top of your tasks and ensuring your projects run smoothly. Even if you're a beginner, you'll find it intuitive and easy to use. For example, let's say Design Plan is a board for my design agency, which I'm working on right now. I can break this project down into multiple sections, such as planning the content, selecting the design, the colors, the typography. By breaking down your project into these subcategories, you make it more manageable and easier to track. Next, you can further break down these subcategories into specific tasks. Instead of having a cluttered workspace where everything is jumbled together, you can clearly outline what needs to be done. For instance, under the planning category, I might have a task to make 20 sketches by tonight. I can simply write down that task and specify its details. If you're working with a team, you can assign tasks to different team members. For example, if one of your employees is responsible for drawing the sketches, you can assign this task to them directly in Monday.com. This way, everyone knows exactly what they need to do, and you can easily keep track of who is responsible for each part of the project. By breaking your project down into subcategories and specific tasks, you ensure that your workspace stays organized and everyone on your team is clear on their responsibilities. This method makes managing your projects on Monday.com efficient and straightforward, helping you and your team stay on top of your work and meet your goals. Since this is just a test account, I can't assign tasks to anyone else besides my own account. However, in a real scenario, you can easily invite new team members by email. Just click on the invite option, enter their email addresses, and they'll receive an invitation to join the board. Once they accept, all your team members can access the board, see all the details, and collaborate effectively. Let's break down a specific subcategory into individual tasks. For example, under Planning, you might have tasks like Drawing 20 Sketches, Research Monday.com Walkthrough, and Plan Activities 1, 2, and 3. You can then assign these tasks to different team members so everyone knows their responsibilities. One feature I love about Monday.com is the ability to add statuses to tasks. You can click on a task and assign a status to it, indicating its progress. There are pre-made templates, but you can also customize statuses to fit your workflow. For example, if the task of drawing sketches is planned for later tonight, you can mark it as planned. This way, everyone knows the current status of each task at a glance. Additionally, you can add a timeline to your tasks. This allows you to set start and end dates, ensuring that everyone stays on schedule and deadlines are met. This combination of clear task assignments, status updates, and timelines makes managing projects on Monday.com straightforward and efficient. Let's say a task needs to be completed today. You can easily set the due date for the 24th of May. Now you know this task is scheduled for today and marked as planned, which keeps everything on track. When the person assigned to the task starts working on it, they can update the status to working on it. This gives you a real-time view of progress, letting you know what's actively being worked on. Monday.com provides a great overview of your project status and helps you see if you're on track to meet deadlines. One feature I particularly like is the ability to filter tasks. If you're trying to figure out what needs more attention, you can filter by status. For example, you can filter for tasks that are marked as stuck. This immediately shows you which tasks are having issues, allowing you to jump in and resolve problems quickly. Filtering can also be done by task owner, which is incredibly useful. If you notice many tasks are stuck, you can filter by the specific person responsible to see if there's a pattern. This helps you identify if a particular team member needs additional training or support. It provides a clear picture of what's going on and where you might need to step in as a project manager. This is what makes Monday.com so effective for project management. You can create a board, invite your team members, and break down your project into manageable subcategories and specific tasks. Assign these tasks to the appropriate people, and they can update their status as they work on them. This keeps everyone informed and ensures the project runs smoothly. In summary, I recommend setting up your board, inviting your team, and breaking your project into detailed tasks. Assign each task to the right person and use the status updates to keep track of progress. If a task is completed, that's great. If not, you'll know exactly where to focus your efforts to keep everything moving forward. If a team member is stuck, you can quickly see that they're having trouble and step in to help them out. If they're working on a task, you'll know that progress is being made. This visibility is crucial for getting a clear overview and understanding of what's happening with your specific project or within your business. You can see that I have multiple boards set up, each tailored with different labels to suit the needs of various projects. Some use checklists, but in my opinion, using statuses is much more effective for project management. It allows you to see at a glance where everything stands and makes it easier to manage tasks and timelines. So that's how I use Monday.com effectively. It's all about creating a board, inviting your team, breaking down projects into manageable tasks, and keeping everything updated with statuses. If this simple guide helps you out, I'd really appreciate it if you could leave a like on the video. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Have a great day.